Hello, everyone. I am here to share my page for the collaboration called Coloring Party, hashtag Coloring Party with Friends 2024. My understanding from Jamie is they will be doing this in 2025, and this will just change to 2025. And I think they're going to continue in this book at least until it's finished, which there's quite a few pages left in here. Even after December, there will be. Anyway, um, this is hosted by at Jamie's underline life underline 101, and the co-host is at Crafting with Pat and more. So be sure to check out their channels as well. And this week we did donuts. Now, oops, that's not the donuts, is it? So I did simple. I used Ohuhu alcohol markers, a little bit of colored pencil just around the edge of this, and then I decided I wanted the icing to be shiny. Of course, my page is now a little crinkly, but I used glossy accents, and it takes about an hour or two to dry, but I just let it sit overnight. So I actually finished this yesterday, um, but I let it dry overnight, and this one has a double layer of the glossy accents. The other ones don't. So it's not spread real evenly. I also used a little bit of um neon and or sparkle, well, both. The neons are these, I believe, yeah. I just used them on this one, and on this one I had used some acrylic marker, but I went over it in the sparkle ones, which are in the back. These were from Hobby Lobby and Paper Studio, and they were on sale. So, or maybe they weren't on sale. I think I got them on sale though. Anyway, if I didn't, it doesn't matter. $9.99 for 48 pieces is not a bad price, and they work okay for me. They don't always go in this case good, but the pens work fine. So anyway, so I just added them on the sprinkles. And I think I probably should have put, now this one I only used the orange. I think I should have put the neon under all of them because these definitely look a little brighter. It's really shiny and really crinkly, sorry. So the Ohu markers are on everything. The pencils, like I said, I just went around these hoping to add a little depth. I don't think it worked. Maybe on this one a little bit it did. Anyway, that's what I did, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. I decided not to do the background. I really was thinking I should put a background in the donut holes at least, but then I'd have to do the whole background. So I just left it. I have too many things to do to try and do all the backgrounds. But anyway, so next week our page will be this one, mushrooms. I'll probably be using colored pencil on this one, or alcohol marker but as a base with colored pencil over it. Maybe I'll do that because yeah, I just think I might like that. I don't know, we'll see. So anyway, come back next week and see what I decided, and please go check out Jamie and Pat. Yeah, I'm just happy I found all these collabs that I'm doing now, and trying to learn different techniques in my coloring and things like that. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. Why don't you join us? It's an open collab. So, yep. And I did write down the Ohu alcohol markers if anybody wants to know the colors. And yeah, that's about it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.